To our channel. Today I will show how to use tab view in SwiftUI. So here is the simulator, our project output. Here is the tab view, gallery, favorite, and profile. We will design as like this output. We will create three tab: gallery, favorite, and profile. Now we will create new project for create the tab view in SwiftUI. Click the export and then click the new project and then select the single view as, enter your product name, SwiftUI Tabview tutorial, and then select the language is Swift and your user interface must be defined is SwiftUI. Then click the next button and select your project location and then click the create button. Now our project is creating. First time it take time to load. Here is our basic project. Now we will create the tab view. Here is the tab view class. Okay, we will create three tab. Our set first tab view content, suppose text, gallery, tab view content, and then set the tab item. There is the tab item. Our tab item is, suppose we will set the image, system image, or system image camera, and you will see the our first tab image is camera. Then we will set the text, suppose text gallery. This is our first tab. So in tab we have defined the first image, then the text. Now we can copy the gallery tab and then we can paste. Now we will get the second tab. Our second tab is favorite button. F A B O U R I T, favorite, and then system image name art.fill. Our tab image and text has been changed. We can now change the tab content. Favorite tab, suppose your expected design here. Okay, now we will create the third tab. Third tab content is person profile tab. Your expected design. Now define the third tab item. Our tab image, set system image System image name is person, and then text profile. Okay, our we have designed the three tab: gallery tab, favorite tab, and profile tab. Now we can run our project. Our project runs successfully. Here is our tab view, and here is three tab: gallery. This is the gallery content, and favorite. This is the favorite content area, and this is the profile. This is the profile content area. Now we will design our gallery tab content. Suppose we will set the some image, then we will scroll the image. Here we'll take the scroll view. Our scroll view will be horizontally moved. Then we will take the S stack. We will take the three images. Suppose image, system image is photo, then we will set resizable. Image will be resizable. Okay, then similarly we will take three photos. Okay, our image tag is full width. Now we will design the system image. We will set the color, and we can set the image modifier. We will create a stack modifier view for image. Suppose we will take the stack image modifier, view modifier, extend view modifier, then function. Suppose body, this parameter is content, and this return type is some view. Here is the we will set the modifier for image view, content dot aspect ratio. We will set the aspect ratio 1. Content mode will fit, and we will set the foreground color of image dot green, and we will make image is round, then clip shape. Sorry, we will take the clip shape, and clip shape inner function is circle, and we will set the overlay of image circle. Then we will set the stock of image color dot white, and then image line with, suppose we will set the 4. Okay, overlay circle, stroke is color white, and line width is 4. Okay, sorry, we, okay, set the extra parenthesis. Now we will set the shadow of image radius, suppose we will set the 12, and set the fading image, and we will set the image size, and it will set into the frame with 120, height 180, suppose. So our image modifier is ready. Now we will use this image modifier into image modifier. We will use the modifier image modifier view, image modifier. Okay, photo resizable dot modifier is image modifier. Here is will be image modifier class. Okay, okay. Now you can see the first image is also round, and we have set the shadow fading and set the image size, and we will use this modifier to other image. Okay, okay. Now our image scroll view is ready. There is 3 images, and this image will be scrolled to horizontally. When you will tap the gallery, then this image will be show. We can run our project again. So here is the tab view, image, favorite and profile. Here the click the gallery, and this image will be scrollable. Here is the content area of image gallery. Then this content area you can design your you can set your expected design. So thank you so much. Today we have shown the how to work tab view in SwiftUI. Thank you so much.